So, as per the accounting terminologies, we have separate entity concept. And what does it state? Let's now understand this. Okay. So, let's suppose there is a businessman, Mr. A, who has incurred expenses related to its business as well as its household, household expenses. Okay, let's write these titles also for sake of better understanding. Now, such business expenses, what will it include? Let's understand this also. Stationery, like stationery, uh, cartridge, printer, and usually paper. Such items will include the stationery expenses. Salary of employees, wages, and much more like this. Whereas in relation to household expenses, what type of expenses do we have? We have, okay, let's say food, clothing, mm, festival. So what the separate entity concept states that expenses, these business expenses will only be recorded in the financial statements and not of the household. And why that's so? Let's also understand this. If if Mr. A will also be able to record the household expenses in his financial statements, then what will happen? It, he will be able to reduce his profit on which the tax will be payable to the government. So what will happen? Let's say suppose if only after deducting the expenses of business related to business, the profit is, let's say suppose, 10,000. That is after business. And if after household, after deducting household expenses, if it come down to let's say 5,000, it will be difficult for the government to collect the tax from the business person in such a basis. So therefore, only these type of expenses will only be represented in financial statements while computing the profit and not these type of expenses. So so the correct solution, or the correct option for problem A, for problem 1 is, is it, and rest of the options are not as relevant for this problem. So we will discuss such options in terms of concepts in further problems. So that's all for the solution. for the given problem. Thank you.